to Fintokei Monthly Mission Control. I'm Tina, your guide through this month's results. Let's dive straight into what's been happening at Fintokei last month. Let's orbit around the globe and check out our top 5 payouts of the month. This month, all of our top traders traded on Pro Trader programs with 2-phase evaluation. In 5th place, we have Philip from Czech Republic. He took home $7,863. In 4th place is Petr, also from Czechia, with a $8,202 payout. Now let's see who made it to the top 3. In 3rd place, Marcin from Poland is earning $9,497. With $3,000 more, Jordan from Great Britain lands in 2nd. And the biggest payout? It goes back to Czech Republic. Kateřina secured an incredible $21,331, marking the 88th largest payout in Fintokei history. Kateřina's most profitable trade? It was on DAX, and she pulled in a $6,141 profit on her Pro Trader account. With Fintokei, you can choose from over 250 trading instruments, but this month, the top pick among our traders was gold. Overall, we've paid out over $14 million. The average payout for a Fintokei trader, a solid $3,680. We were amazed how many of you used our code PropBoost. This offer gave you an option to buy one program and get a second account absolutely free after your first payout. So we decided to extend this offer till the end of January with 2,000 extra spots. So hurry up, this offer can help you accelerate in prop trading. Soon we are releasing new video series. Each month we will give you an insight of one of our traders. We will talk about their strategy, risk management, top trades and more. Stay tuned! That is Fintokei Monthly Mission Control. We hope you enjoyed the trading journey, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you can never miss our content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next month.